Flow Spitter, GMB, FSME. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my. So tired of the bloodshed. Of the bloodshed. So tired of the bloodshed. Ay. So tired of the bloodshed. I'm so tired of the bloodshed. Yeah. I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Yeah. I say I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Every time you turn around, another body on the news. A lot of youngers on the block got something to prove. What is wrong with you? You should have stayed in school. Could have graduated, might became something cool. Now you on the news, mama don't know what to do. Papa was never home, who could you run to? All you had was your friends in the neighborhood. Then they turned their back on you. Now your life was really good. Now you're feeling like you're all alone in the world. Can't even get a chance to even hug your girl. Then you ended up getting locked up with no bail. Now you're sitting in the cell like, oh well. Now you can't believe it. Now you want to write your mama. Mama not responding. She don't got time for the drama. For the people that is dead, here's a moment of silence. I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Yeah. I say I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Yeah. Every time you turn around, somebody dead. Somebody dead. Yeah. I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Now Stacy was Stacy, she was acting like she was tasty. Walking around showing all the boys the pastry. Then it was cooking up dinner just like the bakery. Now she's pregnant, now she got 4 kids. Don't know where to live. Mama kicked her out, went to her grandmama. Grandmama kicked her out, aunt couldn't take it. Father was like, you gonna have to leave, I ain't about that life. You ain't coming here with all of them kids. You should've used your head, a little bit of common sense. That would take you a long way. Why do you want to sit and resort to gunplay? Too many kids is dying, and too many people are starving, and not a lot of people are solving the problems. I'm praying to God above, cause only He can solve them. He can solve them. I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Yeah. I say I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Yeah. Every time you turn around, somebody dead. Somebody dead. Yeah. I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Every time you flip the TV or check out the newspaper, another black man dead. Oh, there's a hater. Cops killing all of these blacks for no reason. They said that Black Lives Matter. How do it matter when you watch the blood spatter and these people, they be wilding in neighborhoods out in traffic? I really can't believe what is really going on, but you know I pray to God He was the one that wrote the song for me. I do this shit off of the brain, I would never change. I'm trying to bring a little bit of peace within to the youth. This is what it do. By all means, abide the rules and stay in school. Get the education, that'll take you a long way. You might grow up to be a lawyer or a doctor. Whatever you do, don't get caught by the coppers. I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Yeah. I say I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Yeah. Every time you turn around, somebody dead. Somebody dead. Yeah. I'm tired of the bloodshed. The bloodshed. Yeah. Oh Lord, I pray we'll see better days. Oh Lord, I pray we'll see better days. No more bloodshed.